Now coming to internal checkpoint. So what are internal checkpoints? Internal checkpoints are automatic and it is triggered by specific operation inside SQL server. That means we are not doing any configuration for this. By default, internally SQL assume that for our certain operation we need to do checkpoint. Otherwise, maybe some problems are there. So internally for SQL, it is not giving outside for the checkpoint configuration. So on what scenarios it is doing? Okay, we need to just have a quick idea for what operations internally SQL server doing checkpoint. Okay, first one is whenever deleting the data file or whenever it is adding the data file, at that time it is doing checkpoint. So when new data files or whole data files it is removed, then it is doing some checkpoint. Next, whenever shutdown is happening, gracefully shutdown, at the time whatever state of the data state it is available in memory need to push to the hard disk. So at the time it is doing checkpoint, otherwise the data will lose. So when we half the system or when we are closing the system, at that time closing of the application, at that time it is internally it is doing checkpoint, otherwise the data will lose. So SQL server when set offline manually, SQL server run a checkpoint to flush all memory data in memory data pages to disk, that reducing the amount of crash recovery. And next is whenever snapshot is happening, so snapshot, during the snapshot we are creating the data files in some compressed files, CSV files, but before the snapshot SQL server instance will do what? Checkpoint. Reason is for snapshot we need to have consistent data. That's why before snapshot a database will do one checkpoint. And some dbcc commands are there. Okay, for the dbcc command it is doing.